I was at the last rodeo of a season, and Vince was an aging cowboy just helping with the rodeo. And I asked him why he helped. And he said, well, my son is riding, and he's riding bulls. And I asked how his son was doing. And he said, well, he's riding with a broken jaw. He can't talk, but by God, he's getting on the bull. And I thought, what passion for this idea of perpetuating that myth? What leads people to that idea of this is the West, and it may not be the life I lead, but I want that myth, that shared experience of the West. And so I kept going with these rodeo images, a cowboy with a broken nose, or a young boy preparing to ride. Young cowboys vying for the honor of collecting tack after a ride. Cowboys preparing for their shot at 8 seconds. The next one's an important image to me because it brings forth ideas that are not unique to the West. There's a quality in this image that I can't quite explain for myself. The halo of light around this woman's head, and this idea of the sanctity of what they believe is their own life. The way the cowboy's lasso is contained within the two beams of this heavenly light, and the idea of what this myth means. And yet, there's a transition between industrialism with a wheeled synthetic calf. And so we're instantly transported to this idea that we're in the modern world.